Alright, welcome to the ThePhilipEffect. And in this tutorial today I'm going to be showing you how to switch this whole screen back to the normal landscape that it was before. Like as you can see, the laptop is this way, but every other thing on the screen is switched to the left, it looks like. Alright. So what you want to do first is to just anywhere on the screen you left click, or sorry, right click, this one here, you right click, and then on the screen you'll see this. Now you need to scroll down with the way it is. You need to be going to the opposite direction. You want to go up, you need to go down, or you want to go down, you need to go up. Then you want to go to this logo here, this one here, you click on that, and then you see this option. Let me go back so you see it better. So it will look like this. You just need to click on this one here, the last option on the, because in English it will be portrait here. So now it's in German, so that's why it's written this way. So you just click on the last option, you click on it, and then you take the first one, and then you click on OK. With the mouse is difficult. So you can see it switched to the real way now. So that was it. And if you've not subscribed, please consider doing so. And if this video helped you, please click on the subscribe button and the like and comment. Thanks. Forget to you need to click on this, the yes option to accept it. So click on that so it remains, because if you don't do so, it will go back to what it was before, which was in the wrong direction. So that was what happened. So just so you see and you understand. All right, bless.